Common engine problems, and solutions. You should not think of the check engine light as a death omen for your car. But, you should think of it as an indication that something on your car needs some attention. Your car diagnostician may find any of the issues below. Missing, or loose gas cap. Replacing, or tightening, the gas cap is going to be the cheapest and easiest fix for your car in its lifetime. However, it is also important. A missing, or loose gas cap can cause your gas to evaporate from your car, which decreases the gas mileage, which could cost you hundreds of dollars. Worn spark plug. It may be small, but it's important. The spark plug is what makes your vehicle move forward. It has a function to ignite compressed gas within your engine. Worn spark plugs will make a weak spark, which may prevent your engine from igniting, or cause it to do so during the wrong stage. Misfiring will affect your engine and gas mileage, and can cause a lot of damage. Clogged radiator. Dirty coolant may cause many issues. If your radiator gets filled with sediment from dirty coolant, then it can cause your engine to overheat. Your radiator can get corroded if you use hard water in it. Coolant loss. Normally, coolant loss is the most common reason for overheating. If your engine is constantly overheating, then the high temperature could cause major damage that can't be repaired. Prevention is the best treatment, so avoid this damage by ensuring that the coolant is clean and that the cooling system is in good condition for operating. Poor compression. If fuel and air are not properly compressed, your engine cannot complete the combustion process. If the valves aren't being sealed properly, the piston rings are worn, or the cylinder has a hole, there could be an air leak which causes lack of compression. Faulty, or broken oxygen sensor. This sensor measures just how much oxygen has not been burned in the exhaust. It will then tell the data system just how much gas is in the gas tank. A problem with an oxygen sensor means that your car gets incorrect information. This often causes lower gas mileage. Spark knock. This is a type of combustion that is caused by the buildup of too much pressure and heat in the combustion chamber. Whenever this happens, you will hear a pinging or metallic knocking noise. A small amount of this won't cause any major damage, but the heavy knocks and prolonged detonation can cause some major damage to the engine. It can crush rod bearings, crack rings, punch holes in the pistons, pound out piston ring grooves, and even blow a head gasket. Prolonged knocking noises are certainly something to be concerned with. Dirty oil. Oil can even build up or leave some nasty deposits on the spark plugs, combustion chambers, and intake valves. It can be ruining the bearings by leaving debris, which will embed on the surface. If the oil filter is missing, or clogged, then this could be the problem. Oil pump failure. A failing oil pump can cause oil starvation, which will damage any engine. Overhead cam engines are at risk for this, because the valve train and cam are further from the pump than a pushrod engine. Oil needs to be the proper viscosity, which means it needs to be light enough to move fast. Poor lubrication. Your car will need oil between moving parts. Not only does reduce friction, it also removes heat. Having a regular oil change is important to the functioning of your car. Failing to make sure to have proper lubrication can cause your car to overheat and the parts to seize up. So keep your oil at the recommended level. Low levels could mean burning or a leak.